Hello everyone, this is Rosalind. I am going live talking about water. I hear my husband in the kitchen getting some water out the fridge while I'm about to talk about water. But this is a very important subject, okay? We don't drink enough. How much water are you drinking? I know right now I'm a little bit behind on my water, but I'm going to get it in. The reason I want to talk about water is because, number one, older people are very dehydrated, and that causes more problems than what they are. More problems than they need. So, first of all, I'm not talking to the people who have water restrictions because of health concerns, like maybe your water is restricted because your doctor said so. So I'm not talking to you. So I am talking to the people who just don't drink water for whatever reason. I've always, I never liked a whole lot of water either. I just didn't. But I'm learning the importance of it. So I have from Harvard University some information here that I just want to share with you all. We all need this reminder. Even people who think they drink enough water don't drink enough water, okay? I asked my brother, how much you drink? Oh, I drink a lot of water. I had 3 bottles. No, that's not enough. Okay, so what are the benefits of drinking water? First one they have is carrying nutrients and oxygen throughout your cells. Water helps to flush bacteria from your bladder. Water aids in digestion. You know, I talk about digestion all the time with my detox tea. And a lot of people say, that tea didn't work for me. You weren't drinking the water to flush it through. What else is Harvard University saying? If you're just joining, I'm talking about dehydration. Harvard University said water helps to normalize your blood pressure. It helps to stabilize your heartbeat. It helps to cushion your joints. Now that's a good one. I definitely notice when I'm dehydrated, I'm stiff. So water also helps to protect organs and tissues. It helps to regulate your body temperature. I wonder that's why some people like me are always cold. I don't know. And it helps to maintain electrolyte sodium balance. So if we don't drink enough water each day, we're at risk of becoming dehydrated. The warning signs of dehydration includes weakness, low blood pressure, dizziness, confusion. That is so true, especially in elderly population. And the urine that is dark in color. So I'm working with my client in Bermuda, and the way that they can tell their residents are dehydrated, they have a color chart, a urine color chart. So if you're using the bathroom, you're urinating and it's orange, dark yellow, you're pretty dehydrated. You should probably go flush yourself with some water. So if your urine is a pale yellow color, you're doing pretty good. So wanted to talk about water. Drink it throughout the day. There's so many water apps. I know they get annoying reminding you to drink water, drink water. There's all kind of different water bottles out here that can help you. Lately, if Joe is watching, my friend Joe bought me this, but I love this thing because I'm able to drink more water out of a straw here lately. I'm still drinking my green smoothie that may look ugly, but it's not. I got so much stuff in here, all my products and stuff, but I'm almost done with that. So a lot of people don't like to drink water because it tastes nasty. Maybe you're not drinking it out of the faucet. You don't have access to it. So there's filtration gallons that you can get where you can filter the water from the sink. If you want to do flavored water, that's better than no water. This is a little controversial, but some people do Crystal Light. Like my brother, he don't like water, so he do Crystal Light. However, which way you can get it in. So if you have an elderly parent at home, they're dealing with dehydration, my suggestion is to feed them food that has a high water content. So cucumbers, watermelon, some vegetables like green beans, like things that have if they love fruit, feed them more oranges and things like that. That way they still get some hydration without the actual water. I know my mother, she does not like drinking water. You put a Pepsi in front of her, she's gonna guzzle it up. Okay, so how much water should you drink a day? This is a little controversial. Some people suggest, I've been suggesting that you drink half your body weight in water. That's hard for me to do, but I do strive for that. I definitely try to get over 64 ounces a day. Harvard University is actually suggesting 4 to 6 cup rule. And then I know some doctors would say, you know, when you feel you're thirsty, that's when you should drink water. But I think the best rule of thumb is to look at your color in the toilet, your urine color. Can't go wrong with that. So the tips for avoiding dehydration is to drink different beverages. Stay away from sugary beverages because they make you dehydrated. Yeah. Sugary drinks can cause you weight gain and inflammation. We do not want the inflammation. And increase your risk for developing diseases such as diabetes. Too much caffeine can cause you jitters, mess with your sleep. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about, and the last thing, hunger. A lot of you feel hungry sometimes, and it's not really hunger for food, it's hunger for water. So before you eat, try to drink as much water as you can to fill up on the water, just in case it's not really food hunger, it's really you just dehydrated. So if you found this video helpful, hey Tamika, if you found this video helpful, please share it. Please, look, I'm not just speaking to you, I'm speaking to myself. I am on a journey, okay, to drinking more water. So I am just want to check in with you all because this is so important. So many people are dehydrated. So many people, I don't care if you don't like how it tastes, like you just need to do what you need to do. So, all right, I hope you all have a blessed night. Talk to you later.